Wow, look at this, guys. Nice and buttery. Hello friends, welcome to Spicy Flavors. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to cook for you garlic vegetable pasta. It's a quick and easy recipe which you can cook in under 30 minutes. I've already started frying my veggies here. Here I have Brussels sprouts frying. We're cooking the Brussels sprouts and the carrots first because they take quite some time to cook. I just added a little bit of salt. Salt would dehydrate the veggies and make them turn brown a little faster. For those of you who have been watching my videos, you must observe what this guy has got this apron on. This apron was gifted to me by my friend Chris. Thank you very much, Chris. What do you guys think of this apron? Let me know in the comment section. It's got lots of pockets here. This apron is fireproof, grease-proof, just making sure that I don't catch fire sometime while cooking your favorite recipes. Now I'll put in the cherry tomatoes and the garlic. Here's another cooking tip, friends. Never add garlic in the beginning because the garlic would get burnt and it would lose all its flavor. Let's add 1 cube of butter. This is coming out really good. Guys, if you're still watching, I would really appreciate it if you give it a like and share the video with your friends and family. It will really help my channel grow. Here's a cooking tip. Once the pasta is done, you could tell by the pasta turning white. If it's still brown, just keep it boiling. Look at this pasta, guys. Wow, look at this, guys. Nice and buttery. Let's add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. This is yummy, yummy. I'm adding the cheese in the end so that the cheese melts from the top and oozes in down the noodles. The flavors will just be delicious. Wow, this has come out delicious, guys. If you love the video, please give it a like and I would really appreciate you subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.